Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, I wanted to share a wonderful Ayurvedic face serum that will keep our skin blemish-free and supple this winter season. The base for the serum is Triphala powder, which is a miracle combination of 3 herbs that is famously used all over India for its wonderful hair, skin, and health benefits. The first ingredient in Triphala is Harataki, whose botanical name is Terminalia chebula. We call it Kadaka in Tamil. Harataki is wonderful for skin care. This is due to its antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It helps treat dark circles, pigmentation, skin infections, and scars very effectively. The second ingredient in Triphala powder is amla. Though amla is mainly used for hair care, it can be used for skin care too. Because of its high vitamin C content, it keeps the skin glowing all day long. We make a wonderful uptan with amla powder, and so many people have benefited using it. I'll leave the link for it in the description box below. The final ingredient is called Bahida in Hindi, and its botanical name is Terminalia bellerica. It protects the skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays, so it reduces the risk of various signs of aging, like wrinkles, blemishes, dark spots, fine lines, and dark circles. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, it helps treat various skin problems like acne and infections. This serum is so easy to make and gives wonderful results if used regularly. One of the requests I regularly get is to make products with longer shelf life, and this is one such recipe. If you make it the way I have shown it here in the video, you can store it at room temperature for 2 to 3 weeks without any preservatives. And trust me, this formulation will rival all expensive store-bought serums. No chemicals can match Triphala powder for getting glowing youthful skin. To make the serum, take a tablespoon of Triphala powder in a bowl. Add in a heaped tablespoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume. Add in the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. Add in 1/4 cup of steam distilled rose water. Finally, add in 4 to 5 drops of rose essential oil. Mix well. I have added rose essential oil here as it has wonderful therapeutic properties, and I also love the smell of rose essential oil. But if you don't have it at home, you can either skip it or add any essential oil of your choice. But try not to use citrus essential oils as they can increase skin sensitivity to sun in some people. I have specifically used steam distilled rose water and store-bought aloe vera gel for this recipe, as they both have longer shelf life. But if you don't mind storing it in the fridge, you can use fresh aloe vera gel and regular rose water. To use before going to bed, remove all makeup. Wash your face with a mild face wash and then pat dry. Apply the serum all over the face and neck. This serum will dry very quickly onto the skin. You can apply your regular moisturizer once it dries. This serum can be modified according to your skin type. I have dry skin, and this blend works wonders on my skin. This can be used for normal and oily skin too. If you have oily skin, just skip the vitamin E oil or add just a drop or 2 of it. If you have extremely dry skin, you can add in 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, so it will keep the skin hydrated and moisturized. I have used fine Triphala powder here. If your powder is a bit grainy, make sure to strain the serum through a fine strainer before storing it in the bottle. You will be really surprised with the results if you use this serum regularly. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.